Managing your credit control and payments in PetSitter Plus is straightforward and essential for maintaining a healthy cash flow and organized finances. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Navigate to the Invoicing tab and select Unpaid Invoices from the submenu to display invoices that remain unpaid by your clients. In this report, you can see the client's name, the invoice amount, and the due date, making it easy to keep track of outstanding balances. You can filter the Unpaid Invoices list by invoice type, which is helpful to email a different message to monthly or weekly clients, or the date the invoice was issued. You can also sort the report by due date, client name, or even by invoice amount, to prioritize which invoices to follow up on first. The aging column can be used to sort the most outstanding payments, as it shows how many days the invoice is overdue by. You can then email late payment reminders in bulk to a selection of clients. If you need to see a particular invoice in detail, simply click the blue invoice number to open it. You'll see a breakdown of the services and the total invoice amount. There are multiple options from the invoice menu, such as sending a reminder, voiding, or writing off an invoice. We will cover these options in more detail in a later video. Top tip: clicking a client's name will open their account where you can see all previous invoices and payments made if you need to see more detail. To receipt a payment in full directly from the Unpaid Invoices Report, simply click the checkbox next to the client's name and then click Mark Paid. Now you can confirm the details of the payment from the Mark as Paid screen. Enter a different date if required, then the type of payment made, and optionally send a confirmation email receipt to the client. Click Mark Paid to register the client payments in full. Top tip: payments made automatically via credit or debit card and partial payments such as deposits, which should be made in the client account, are covered in other videos, and you can see links to these and help articles in the comments below. Once confirmed, the invoice will be marked as paid, and it will be removed from the list of outstanding invoices. Important: keeping on top of your outstanding invoices and ensuring that payments are added to the client's account is an essential part of managing your business's cash flow and credit control. With PetSitter Plus, this process is quick and easy. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to perform essential credit control, managing your clients' outstanding invoices, and marking them as paid in PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.